This cat is clearly in pain, and everyone thinks she needs stronger medication. She can barely move, and even small movements look painful. But a specialist decides to try something different. He gently checks her stiff joints and carefully starts small adjustments. With every soft crack, the cat slowly relaxes more, like the tension is leaving her body. It feels like she knows she's finally getting better. Now wait till you see what comes next. If this reached you, tap like, comment, heart if it felt personal. Subscribe to continue. After the final adjustment, the cat becomes noticeably calmer, breathing easier, and fully relaxed.